Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Ramba Kajala Ukanrat Sangmah Negasngi Uletho baka Sorkar Kalayo Ekajimenjur Yalai tadi kikerteng banti Dewïong balai bor ki ban Penteri Kamno bat banti e Dewïong Katkum ke juk Stad baminta nika scientific mining hagaktian paring Uletho ro baka coal ministry kalawan ban pet berman bat ka hun nika jingti bat minta ilayat syakman Uletho ro baka Katkum ke jingtep ke ba udan dangdon sakhatwe ngut ki balapan Jingbit bat minta ki don hagalinti ban yo ekajimenjur Ulapan pauru eka jingkerman bahagi ni kibenai banwan kini ru kin sayo eka jimenjur ban sedang banti Dewïong Katkum ke juk Stad jong kini kapor pemerintah. Menteri Ramba Uletho bakini khatwengut kidai na keleng ke Giant Hills but West Giant Hills.
3 have been approved and given a full mining operation clearance, which means they've started mining, they've started extracting coal, and there are of course certain issues which are now left in terms of the transportation of that coal. But mining of the coal has started in a scientific manner, and as I mentioned to you, Coal India has come and seen it, and they're satisfied with the Coal Ministry has come in and seen it, and they're satisfied with the work, where the work is going, and we're moving forward. I don't have the exact numbers with me or the exact position, but as far as the latest information is that about 11 more mines are just on the verge of getting the mining opening permission. I don't know the exact status of that, but matter of maybe a month or 2 months, we will be able to see another 10 to 11 miners getting permission to start the scientific mining.
These 11 are from East Giant Hills or which part of the state?
I don't have the breakup, but mostly from East Giant Hills and West Khasi Hills.